It's Nettie again. Okay, share, subscribe, press the button, and like. Yes, if you like my video, you have to do all that. Okay, so that's all. Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, I want to talk again about YouTube. They're doing certain things that they're not checking the channels. They have, I guess, a computer that does that, and maybe they see a little word and they think, oh wow, she said something bad, like the word hate. I hate candies, I hate this. It doesn't mean that you hate a person. So I haven't had a letter from them why they took me out of the monetization. Nothing. They tell, oh, you should have gotten a letter explaining. Maybe when they check your videos, there was something inappropriate. Look at this. Is this inappropriate? I don't see how it's inappropriate. I don't talk bad here. I normally don't talk bad at all. So how can it be, I call it bad? So, and I'm going to show the public, I'm going to show them the truth of that I am. I'm going to prove it, that I am a YPP partnership. And I also never had a strike. In my life. The videos that I do is educational, because I'm trying to get people to eat a little more of their own food, that they know that it doesn't have pesticide or none of that stuff, stuff that they put, and that is naturally grown, organic. That's it. I do cooking. And I have a little here and there, like I did the couponing, and thank God I did, because when Maria came, I had enough soap, shampoo, paper toilet, the works. Because I went crazy buying stuff, And in Buchanan, you go, and how you call it? It doesn't have to be so perfect, because you go to the regular stores here, they probably don't know English, and they go, oh no, we can't accept this, oh no, we can't accept that, and they could accept it, they just don't want to, or they don't know the English and they think that they're gonna make a mistake. So that's also, but what I'm saying is that I'm gonna prove everything. And I want you to see that I have wrote to, because if you want to give a complaint, go to Twitter's. There, then look for YouTube. They got people there that is supposedly helping people. I don't know why they're not in YouTube. In YouTube, then you give him I gave him my complaint. He said, no, well, you must have done something wrong. This and that. I said, okay. Identify it, because I don't know what I did wrong. There's nothing wrong. I don't curse, because I even got my granddaughter in some of my videos. How I'm gonna, and besides, that's nasty. I'm not gonna be cursing over here. It's not ladylike. And besides, I don't never like that to curse in my house. So why would I do it in public? And how you call it? And the other thing is that the 1,000 and the for subs, and the 4,000 for watch time, that don't go if you have the YPP. No, it doesn't go. The reason why they put that is so you could get the YPP, so you could get AdSense. But I have AdSense. By the way, I saw I got 15 cents still in there. I have AdSense. I have YPP. I have never gotten how you call it, a strike. So why the heck did they take me out for 2 years already? This has been a fight for 2 years. You know, at the beginning I said I didn't notice, but then when I noticed, wait a minute, this is not to get you to get AdSense. This is so you could to get the I call it the YPP. So if you're gonna have to get the YPP, then you need that. If you have some strike, then you need that. If you did something inappropriate in your channel, then you need that. But I didn't do none of it. I still don't know where they think that I did something wrong. And then I'm asking for explanation, and then what they tell me is, oh, it must be that they had to give you a letter. I said, I didn't get no letter. Where is the letter? You know, give me a copy of it, because I didn't get it. So I'm over here going crazy, you know, because the reason why I applied for AdSense is because all this costs money, all this. Why? Because you need to buy the vitamins, you got to buy dirt. I just bought a bag of dirt, you know, I call them, they gave me some money. My mother was here, she gave me some money, so I took advantage and I bought a bag of dirt. So, because I was using, even though I like to use the used dirt, they do more better than the brand new dirt. But I was using outside dirt, and I was, you know, it's very hard for me to go outside. I gotta wait for somebody to go in and get me some dirt from back there, because there's a part back there that a lot of leaves and trees and things fell there, and it's compost. So since it's compost, I always tell them to get me dirt from there. So I'm telling you, if you are from the YPP, if you never gotten a strike, if you haven't done curses and how you call it, take other people's videos and put it in your videos and all that, you haven't done none of that, then you're supposed to be in the clear. I never put nobody's video here in my channel. I give them shout outs, you know. I put them in their channel in how you call it, in cards, and then the end thing they have at the end. Okay, I also do that. I look at my subscribers and I look through there, and I pick somebody that I haven't picked, and then I put them in there. But remember, you know, I have 1,023 videos, you know. And it's hard to, you know, put everybody, because I gotta, you know, as I do the videos, I be doing it, you know. But I am gonna see if I could, the ones that I haven't put, you know, because I didn't know that was so important. It is important, people, that you do study what you're gonna bring in, that you could go to check. I forgot the name of it. It's, you know, the thumbnails you gotta do too. You gotta do a good, how you call it, description, tags, and you also gotta check if the name that you're gonna put to your video, how you call it, is good. Because I forgot the name of the program. Maybe I'll put it down in the bottom. But you check there. The first one is supposed to be good, because you don't have a lot of, you know, competition there. But the other two has to be either perfect or very, very good. And that's how it is promoted. So people, try to learn how to do all this stuff, because it does matter. You know, it does matter. And I noticed that my watch time has gone up. So that's pretty good. I even got families that didn't even know that I had a video, that I was making videos, and they wrote to me. So that's pretty cool, because then I have my family also there, you know. And one of my family wrote to me a message that she's planning to come. I can't wait to see her. I haven't met her kids, because the last time I saw her, she was a young teenager. She was like 16 years old. Okay, so God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.